hated verse. By the way, my cousin's in again to you. And he's playing the Nintendo. Anyways, so this video is going to be guess the mushling. Guess the mushling competition, and if anyone wants to join in, like entering this competition, just below just say enter me, and then make a video of what the mushrooms you think they are. And I'm not trying to copy anyone, it's just that I don't know what videos I can make of, so I just tried to do a competition video. So this are the mushrooms. Okay, so first of all is this mushroom. Then it is this one.
Oh my lord, oh my lord, oh my lord.
This is okay. This is the series 1. This is the series 4. And this is the series 5. And the last one I'll do is series series 2. Series 2, which is this one. So try to guess what they are. I'll make a video and like put it down, like I don't know what you call it, I forgot. Okay, so what you get in the first prize, what you get is you get sample code, which is here, and I haven't used it, and then I'll subscribe to you guys, and I'll like 3 of your videos, and I'll comment on 1 of your videos. The second prize is I'll subscribe you, I'll like 2 of your videos, I'll comment on your videos, and the third prize is I'll like 1 of your videos and comment on 1 of your videos. So yeah, that's all from the question, and this nobody has an intro, so I was later. No, it's just for that. So anyway, so yeah, and there you see as well. So yeah, that's all, and I'm gonna be making like about 5 or 6 or more than that videos, because it's been a long time I haven't made videos. So yeah. So I'm thinking, yeah, weird, but anyway, thanks for watching, guys. That's all I wanted to do for this video, and hope most of the people entry. If this doesn't entry, I guess I'll just close down this competition. So yeah, bye. Goodbye. Bye.